Okay, so this is just a really quick video here. We needed to look at the sine function. The last 3 videos we've looked at the sine function and transformations of the sine function. We've largely ignored the cosine function. That's because they're very, very similar functions. The only difference is that they start from a different position. So if you take a look at the sine function, you can see it starts from the origin. It moves up, comes down, and then comes back to the x-axis. And it continues like that. Now try to burn that into your memory, because we're going to take a look at the cosine function now. Okay, so our cosine function here, you can see that it does not start at the origin like our last one. It actually starts at the peak of its amplitude. It starts at 1, moves down, whoops, starts at the peak of its amplitude, moves down, comes back up, and comes back to where it started. It starts up the top here. Okay, so I guess if these were roller coasters, you can see that the sine function starts with the classic roller coaster, chunk, 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 and then you drop, you come back up, and then you're back at your starting position. Whereas a cosine function, rather than starting with that classic up, 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 chunk, 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 it actually starts at the very top of our roller coaster, and you start with a drop straight away. Drop, hit the bottom, coming back up, and then you're back at where you started. Now, all of our transformations, whether it's sine or cosine, still apply here. So if we look at our cosine curve here, whoops, if you look at our cosine curve here, our amplitude can be changed with our A value. Our period can be changed with our B value. Our phase shift or our horizontal shift can be changed with our C value. And finally, our D value can be changed, our vertical shift can be changed with the D value here. So whether you're dealing with sine curves or cosine curves, the same thing still applies there. Okay, so that's cosine curves versus sine curves.